Hi, this is Kinga from myhobbiescrochet.com. In this tutorial I will show you how to crochet the backward half double crochet stitch. As you can see, it's a really pretty stitch, a textured stitch that I have obtained alternating one row of half double crochet stitches with one row of backward half double crochet stitches. For this tutorial I am using Red Super Saver yarn and a 5.5mm crochet hook. Let's get started. I have already made one row of simple half double crochet stitches. This will be my first row on the right side, and on the wrong side we will make backward half double crochet stitches. This is because the backward half double crochet stitches will stand out more on the other side. So let's start the backward half double crochet stitch row with chain 1, turn the work one half double crochet into the first stitch and begin the backward half double crochet stitches. The first backward half double crochet, you will skip the next stitch, insert the hook into the next stitch and complete one half double crochet stitch. To complete the backward half double crochet, you will need to work one half double crochet back into the skipped stitch, going behind the last half double crochet stitch just made, so as not to catch it. So we're going at the back of the stitch just made. You will insert the hook from front to the back and complete one half double crochet stitch. As you can see, the backward half double crochet stitch is made of 2 stitches that are crossed. Let's make another one. Skip next stitch, work one half double crochet into the next stitch and work one half double crochet back into the skipped stitch, going behind the stitch just made so as not to catch it. Insert the hook from front to back and complete one half double crochet and the crossed half double crochet stitch at the back. Work the same until you reach the last stitch. So skip the next stitch, work one half double crochet into the next stitch, go behind, another half double crochet, skip the next stitch, skip next one, go back into the skipped stitch. So at the end of the row you should have 3 stitches left. So I'm working the last backward half double crochet and I have 1 stitch left. I will make one half double crochet into the last stitch. This is what I have so far. As you can see, the stitch is more visible on the other side. So I will work now one row of half double crochet stitches in each stitch across the row, working into the both loop of the stitches. Half double crochet in each stitch across the row. So I will alternate these 2 rows, working one row of half double crochet stitches on the right side and one row of backward half double crochet stitches on the wrong side. I'm at the last stitch, last half double crochet, I will chain 1 and turn. This is my wrong side and this is the right side. On the wrong side I'm working again one row of backward half double crochet stitches 1 half double crochet into the first stitch and start with backrest half double crochet stitches across the row until you reach the last stitch. So skip next one, work 1 backrest half double crochet into the next one, skip this, skip next. You need to be careful not to insert the hook into the same stitches 2 times. So not skip this one, the one you have worked, but the next one, skip this one and you work into the next one. Skip this one, work into the next one and back into the skipped stitch. I'm at my last 3 stitches. I'm working the last backrest half double crochet, and into the last stitch I'm working 1 half double crochet stitch. So as you can see, on the wrong side is not as pretty as on the wrong side. This is how my pattern will look. I will show you once again how to look after finishing another row of half double crochet stitches on the right side. Continue across with half double crochet stitches in each stitch. So this is how it will look. Continue to alternate 1 row of half double crochet stitches with 1 row of backrest half double crochet stitches to get a pretty textured stitch pattern. This stitch pattern is really lovely. I have used it in my pattern for a twisted headband. I really loved this texture. I have here another one. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and you will use this stitch. It is really lovely. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.